Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video. A very warm welcome to another video of mine. Well, today I'm gonna talk about the Ketu Sun Mars conjunction in the Scorpio sign. All these three planets, Ketu, Sun and Mars, will be in the Scorpio sign together until 16th of December 2021. All these planets, the shadowy planet Ketu, Sun and Mars are of fire elements. So at this point in time, Scorpio zodiac sign will see too much fire in that house. I mean, that Scorpio sign will be heated too much at this point in time. The Scorpio zodiac sign is a very dominating sign. The Scorpio characteristics and traits are deep, emotional, intuitives, having the ability to see forward, determined, vengeful, jealous, ambitious, etc., etc., etc. So all these characteristics of Scorpio, all these traits of Scorpio are gonna come to light at this point in time. I mean, it's gonna reveal all these qualities in a person's life. These qualities are gonna get magnified at this point in time. These characteristics, these qualities can come to light in any area of your life, in any arena of your life, in any space of your life, in any field of your life. I mean, it could be in your business, career, job, profession, relationships, love relationships, health, etc., etc., etc. Ketu has been in the Scorpio sign since about 13 months now, and the association of Ketu with Sun and Mars will be a very significant one at this point in time. This shadowy planet Ketu is a friend of the planet Mars, but it is an enemy of the planet Sun. So people are gonna see mixed results at this point in time. They will see something good and something bad at this point in time. Let us talk about the good, the positive about Ketu in this transit with Sun and Mars. Ketu doesn't have a head, it doesn't have a face, it cannot see, it cannot hear, it cannot eat, it cannot smell, it cannot talk, but it is a very powerful planet. You would ask me why Ketu is a powerful planet. The answer is, in spite of it not having a head, it not having a face, it can move forward. It can move forward without a head or face. So it is a very unique planet. It is a very courageous planet. Ketu has all the ingredients to make someone successful in his or her life. And whenever Ketu is together with its friends, then it gives positive results. In this case, Ketu will be with the planet Mars. Not only Ketu helps its friends, but it also takes help from others. Not because Ketu is weak, but Ketu takes help from others because it wants to remain strong. It wants to remain strong. It wants to remain important. It wants to remain significant in the life of other people. So Ketu plays a very significant role in astrology. While some people underestimate this Ketu, but Ketu gives you a lot of things. Ketu represents a lot of things in this life. It represents mysteries. It represents psychic perceptions. It represents diseases. It represents delays and losses. It represents sudden events. It represents spirituality. It represents your karmas. I'd like to highlight something about Ketu and Moon also. I mean, when Ketu and Moon are together in a particular zodiac sign, when Ketu is with the planet Moon, it makes a person very religious. It makes a person very spiritual. And Ketu and Moon together fulfills all the wishes, all the desires of a person. Well, some may argue that Ketu is an enemy of the planet Moon. But in all practical senses, when Ketu is with Moon, it fulfills the wishes and desires of a person. This planet Ketu, the south lunar node. Sun and Mars together in the Scorpio sign will produce some very positive results for you. So seeing the planetary positions and seeing this transit of Ketu, Sun and Mars in the Scorpio sign, I want to tell you all something today. I want to tell you all at this point in time, whatever you are facing in your life, whatever problems you are facing in your life, whatever difficulties you are facing in your life, you will overcome those problems and difficulties. You are gonna move forward in your life at any cost. You are gonna make a conscious, deliberate and a determined effort to change yourself at this point in time. You will have certain ideas in your mind which you will want to implement in your life in order to change your life. In other words, you are gonna change yourself to change your life. So your focus at this point in time would be to change your life, and you are gonna change yourself first to see a change in your life. So you are gonna work on yourself at this point in time. You are gonna realize your flaws, your weaknesses at this point in time. You are gonna decipher, you are gonna recognize, you are gonna discern your weaknesses at this point in time. And once a person knows what his or her weaknesses are, what his or her flaws are in his or her life, then there is no looking back for that person, because that person will never make that same mistake again in his life. Well, making that same mistake over and over again and expecting a positive result is insanity. He or she will start working on those weaknesses, on those flaws which they have in their life. So this is a very important thing, that one realizes his or her mistakes and one has to admit that he or she has made a mistake. Realizing a mistake is also a step towards success. So at this point in time, you realizing your mistakes in your life will help you to move forward in your life. You know, you are gonna become unstoppable after this Ketu, Sun and Mars conjunction, because this will infuse in you some great ideas, some great plans, some great strategies for your future. It will make you realistic and practical in your life. It will pull you out from that cloud cuckoo land which you are in. It will pull you out from those fantasies you are in. It will show you the reality of life. It will show you the practical side of life. And at this point in time, you will realize that there is a supernatural power. There is a power above you which is guiding you, which is giving you the strength and power to move forward in your life. And that power, that strength is God. So you are gonna remain attached to God at this point in time, and you will derive power from that Almighty God at this point in time. This universe is gonna be on your side in all your endeavors. You know, you are gonna be determined about changing yourself at this point in time. You are gonna make some resolutions in your life which will turn your life towards success at this particular moment. You know, some people may experience some turbulence in their life at this particular moment, but that will be for your better. That will be for your good. And this disturbance, this instability in your life will help you to concentrate and focus on your life. You know, certain things in your life happen to you, but the things which will happen during this time will happen for you. I mean, these things which will happen during this time will be for your better, will be for your good. You know, as the Bhagavad Gita says that whatever happened, happened for the good. Whatever is happening for the good. And whatever will happen for the good only. So, these are appropriate words for this Ketu, Sun and Mars conjunction in the Scorpio sign. You know, even if you face some turbulence in your life, even if you face some problems in your life, even if you face some challenges in your life at this point in time, you will overcome those challenges. You will overcome those problems. You will conquer the impossible at this point in time. Though things may not seem easy for you, but you have to have the faith and belief in yourself that you can achieve this, you can accomplish this. I mean, you can overcome any challenges in your life, in the future as well as in the present moment. Everyone has to go through something to get to something. Gold has to go through a lot of heat before it becomes a beautiful jewelry. So even if you are facing trials and tribulations in your life, this will be for your better. This will create a bright future for you. There is no shortcut towards a success. You don't have an elevator to success. I mean, you need to climb those stairs if you want to reach success, because success has no elevators. You will have to make an effort to climb those stairs if you want to see success in your life. So at this point in time, you may have to put in your effort. You may have to work hard at this point in time to achieve your success in your life. Though these three planets together will be for a very short time, but during this time, life will infuse in you certain ideas which will help you to move forward in your life. Certain things will happen in your life at this point in time which will change you, and you will make a conscious effort to change yourself at this point in time, and subsequently your life will get changed. So this is gonna be a life-changing moment for y'all, or this could be that time when your life will start to change. And whatever ideas life infuses in you at this particular moment, try to implement those ideas in your life. In order to change yourself, you are gonna change your mind. You are gonna change your thoughts at this point in time. Wherever you are in your life at this particular moment, you made an appointment to be there. Your thoughts have brought you this far. Your thoughts have created this life for you. So in order to change yourself, you need to change your thinking. Life affects people in several ways. And one of the ways life affects us is the way we look at life. Our lives are affected by the way we think things are, not the way they are. The way we think affects us the most. So thinking is very important. All our focus should be on our thinking, on our thoughts. You can't control the thoughts which are coming in your mind, but you can definitely control the thoughts which you dwell on, which you think about, which you ponder on. So you need to focus on the positive thoughts. You need to focus on the positive side of your mind. You need to just focus on those positive thoughts which are coming into your mind, and just avoid those negative thoughts, those pessimistic thoughts coming in your mind. You mustn't let anyone rule your mind, your thoughts. What you think, you become. What you feel, you attract. And what you imagine, you can create. And if you allow other people to rule your mind, rule your thoughts, then you will become what they want you to become. And obviously, you will not want that in your life. So, take control of your mind. Take control of your thoughts. Well, this is all I wanted to tell you all about this Ketu, Sun and Mars conjunction. If you want some specific predictions about yourself, then you can contact me directly. Well, like I always say, that if you wish to know your future through astrology, and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, well, one must always try to live his or her best version of themselves, because there is only one life to live. There are no duplicates of a life. You will not get a chance to live this beautiful life once again. And if you want to enhance your luck in your life, if you want to boost your luck in your life, if you want to increase your luck in your life, then I have several remedies for you. These remedies which I am talking about are a fusion of astrological remedies, Vastu remedies, and religious remedies which can be utilized by any person of any religion, because I believe that there is only one God in this universe. You know, luck plays a very important factor in the life of a human being. So, if you want to improve your luck, then you can contact me. And if you want me to pray for you, prayer can move mountains. So, if you want me to pray for your health, wealth, success, prosperity, business, job, career, relationships, love relationships, money, etc., 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 then also you can contact me. And if you want a Vastu visit of your flat, office, factory, residence, then also you can contact me. And if you are hell bent on taking your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great life ahead. God bless y'all. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali.